Alright guys, well I'm going to unbox this thing today. I already opened it to get the paper with my address out, but I'm going to open it and show you guys what I recently got. Let me open this real quick and I'll show you guys what I got. Well, this is what we got. These are North Korean food tokens. I got them off eBay. These are from North Korea. They're technically North Korean coins. Absolutely beautiful coins. So look at this one. This one is a orangutan. It's worth 1.5 chon. This one is a hippo, and I got 2 of those. And look how beautiful and shiny. Yeah, and these are from North Korea. They're part of a food assistance program. And I got 2 Denny's. And I got, oh, the seller actually sent me a free orangutan one. That's very nice. But yeah, these coins, I got them on a great deal, but normally they'd be about $40 total, $40 to $50 in value. They're all North Korean tokens, and it's taken me months to find North Korean coins. But yeah, these are very fascinating pieces of history, and sadly, most collectors never get to see these or find them because they're just so rare. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good day.